Hello, hello. It's Wednesday. And we're gonna be making the Colosseum logic work. That's the one. That is the one. Where were we on this so far? Was it talking? I think Monday I spent just a little bit of time after stream wiring up the conversation. We're gonna see if that works. Amplify. Why is it pointing over there? That's weird. That's like really far out. Also, where's the shadow? Where are their shadows? That's weird. Thought they were supposed to have shadows. It's fine, whatever. I do intend for when you access the menu, that's what he says. Tutorial and explanation will not be what we're working on right now. We're working on moving into a we're getting the core loop, as they call it. Okay. What controls Al? What controls Al? Welcome in. Stem source. No. Yes. Stem stuff. Update stem angle. Here we go. It's owls all the way down. A slightly smaller owl. Nesting owls. Alright. So we grab the camera, which is null, apparently. Okay. That's weird. What normally sets this? Setup camera does. What normally calls this? Process does. So this implies that camera handler is null. But oh, I didn't set as cam. Oh, okay. Yep. All right. So that's got that fixed. Now, why aren't you facing each other? How about that? That should be the next thing, right? They should face each other. They should definitely be facing each other. So we set up a cinematic. Actor. That's just normal human stuff. That's normal human stuff. That's the one he's facing, right? Okay. You're not the one that's supposed to say fight time. Because I've got it set up that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is supposed to be null, effectively. And I want that to be skipped, as though I'm skipping that person in the back and forth of the dialogue. So why didn't that happen? Oh, because it's based on conversation size. Then we'll just say we'll still append a nothing. The bees! Yay. In conversations... Yeah, it's like this. Okay, that's the setup. We gotta bind it. There we go. Done. So now... Alright, so we get over here. We start a fight. Yay, that's fixed. Cool. Willow! Alright, so then at the end of the conversation... We'll, like, wait 1 extra second. And then we'll append the actual fight. Which we can do like this. Let's have a start fight function. Which is going to be this entire block here. Without the bind. Let's say append array. And then we can do start fight, bind it with our fight. Yeah, cool. All right. Now, what does a fight look like? We have the base encounter details, so that's what we need to start with. Our fight should have base encounter details. Alright, so we can drop, we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. So get the object, or the dictionary. Man, Willow, it's hard to believe you're on chapter 4 of Celeste now. Just breezing through it. I'm trying to think. Like, I'm not going to give you any numbers because I think it's important that you don't know how, like, when the game is, on the tail end or anything. It's like, for all you know, this is the final chapter. But I'm trying to think ahead about which sections will probably be... where we probably will be there for a bit. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Epic. That's true. So one of the biggest things in Celeste is just like figuring out where to go. Like reading the area and knowing like, okay, if I've got, some stuff I have to clear and some scary spikes to dodge, and then there's a bubble involved. You gotta be calculating like how far can I dash? So it's like, okay, so I'm gonna dash because you can only dash straight or diagonal. I'm gonna dash 1, fall into bubble, and then use that bubble. If I bubble up, that gives me my dash back, and then I can dash over, and then nope, that's not gonna work. But if I bubble diagonal and then use my refresh dash to go right, that'll put me just in line to get here. And there's like so much of the game is like analyzing the scene and seeing like, okay, where will I have a dash available? Where are the points where I actually need to make the dash input? And you're like, okay, that means there's a dash here and there's a dash here. Everything else is just hold the direction in the right, just hold the joystick in the right direction and you're good. So anyway, there's my TED Talk. We talked to Ted. I don't know what kind of information you will actually want to have. Is this a thinking out loud? Because this is especially a problem during a stream. Is this a thinking out loud question, or do you actually want to know information? That's the real question. What base encounter details would what do we add to this? Okay, gotcha. I don't think we want a battle script. Oh, it's Fanny Slam. With our trademark character, our OC, Mart. Hello. Oh no, it's Gart. Legally distinct Gart. What do you not like about that? What do you not like about? Oh, I see. Okay, the dot new. Liari, welcome in. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I wanted to do the Wednesday crossword, or maybe it's Thursday. It's a Thursday crossword. You can get on the Seattle Times website. You can see the Thursday crossword a little bit early on Wednesday. And Thursday is a really good level of crossword because it's like they actually get. Monday is like you could just take the first thing that pops into your head every time. It's like three letters. Meowing pet. It's Hovercat. Hovercat might stream tomorrow, you guys. Would anybody be interested? Would anybody like for Hovercat to stream tomorrow? If you'd like Hovercat to stream tomorrow, press 1 on your device right now on your touch-tone phone. One's in the chat. No! Ow! The bit! Oh, the bit! Did it beat on the bit? There we go. We got all the ones. Trying to think time zones. No, that'd be a good time. That'd be good times. I really need like clocks on the wall with everyone's time zone so I can keep track of, you know, Dupu o'clock, New Zealand, anybody else that hangs out. Oh, that's too bad, Willow. Although, in case anybody didn't notice, Willow moved her S. So that's cool. New Zealand isn't real. They're always throwing their boomerangs and hanging out with the kangaroos in New Zealand. Clocks aren't real. There you go. Whoa. Okay. This is gonna sound a bit non sequitur until I get like 30 seconds in. Little Toadette watches, or at least watched a lot of Bluey, and they had a bit. And for anybody who doesn't keep up with children's television, Bluey is set in Queensland, Australia. And there was they got a bit where they're like, one of the kids is doing a world map puzzle, and she's missing one piece, and it's New Zealand. It's like, Dad, New Zealand's missing. He's like, ah, not again. That's it. That's the bit. Big time zone to sell more hands. 3 hands. So real, so true. I keep mentioning Bluey episodes at Dupu. Just like increasingly off the wall topics that are like, well, yeah, I guess that is the Impreg episode of Bluey. Missing from our own official. Oh no! I don't think she cares that much. What she's excited about now is Minecraft. We're playing a lot of Minecraft. We're hitting the Minecraft pretty hard. I was needing the Minecraft today, let me tell you. Minecraft! Apparently, well, so she gets back home well before I get done with work. And so she's already playing by the time I actually am logging off. And apparently there was an Enderman just hanging out in my house, and she did not like that.
I'm just gonna stand here and stare out this window.
Yeah. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. I've been obsessed since the game was in alpha, so it's a good game. It's a good game. Injured or otherwise. Yeah, to get out of the rain. I've got such a handle on Minecraft. By that I mean, like, I got in early enough that my username is just Dobbs. And that feels pretty good. Be one of, like, the early adopters. Well, that was like a city builder, right, Mac? Because I see the same headlines Mac does, I think. I don't know. Man has fallen into the river. Good city. A man hit retry level after getting a checkpoint in Mario Maker 2. I'm just staring at this code like it's just gonna write itself. Why did I set this as base encounter details? What did I want to add to this? Right. I gave myself a comment. I don't ever read websites. I don't go on the internet. Oh man. Okay. Do you remember minecart boosters? Never learned how to read. Yeah, with the like, you. Okay. So hang on. I'm gonna see if I can find an image of this because this is just gonna be Minecraft Booster. Yes. This is the one. Hang on. This is it right here. Okay, back before they added powered rails, two minecarts that were running adjacent to each other would just zip up to max speed and stay at max speed. But you had to kind of have them like slide into each other from a height. And so you could do this little setup so that this lower minecart would act as a booster. It would boost the other one. And then with some clever track curving, you could have this lower minecart go back to its original position and reset itself for the next cart that came by. And oh my gosh, it was such a fun little puzzle because the curving of tracks and how a three-way would... You didn't actually have a three-way, you just have like a weird S shape, and if a track ended abruptly, but there was another track after it, it would continue on. So you had to figure out how to get it back, and people were making things like, okay, this is a dual direction booster module that'll boost a cart coming from either direction and auto restart. All these really cool things going on in the minecart stuff. Really cool. At some point, little Toadette's gonna have to learn redstone. Let's see here. Okay. Get her on Factorio. All right, here we go. Factorio time. Listen, kid, you gotta parameterize your blueprints. You can't have a blueprint for everything like that. You gotta parameterize them. Show me your train blueprint book. Come on. Tell me, Willow. These aren't. You don't have these chunk aligned. What are you doing? The other thing was set override to a specific. Yeah, we want a Colosseum backdrop. So we need to actually design the Colosseum. I'm a computer. Genius. That is true. Do we want to learn some things about bytes? Anybody want to learn some things about bytes? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That was the first lesson. So, bits are basically just like light switches. They can be on or off. And so this would be an example of a byte. 000000001. And so with this and this, all these different combinations. In fact, since every bit has two different states, the total number of combinations is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 different combinations. That's right, we can represent the numbers 0 to 255. And this is by virtue of binary. How does binary work? How does that work? Well, think about the normal, let's call it normal number system that you're used to. You go 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. But what happens after 9? What's the symbol for 10? You know? So we can put an 8 here. We can put a 9 here. We can't put a 10 here. We can't put a 10 here. It rolls back over to 0, but we put a 1 in the next place beside it, right? And then we can go 11, 12. So this number, this first number, keeps going up until it gets to the biggest possible number. And when it gets to the biggest possible number, it ticks the next one over. But what happens if the next one over is also the biggest possible number? Huh? How do we go up higher? Well, the same logic applies. You just tick it up and then stack another 1 on the side, and then you repeat that process. But what if there weren't 10 different digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What if there were only 2? What if all we had was 0 and 1? So you start with 0, then you go 1, and now I want to put it. Oh no, I can't fit a 2 here because there's no such thing as anything other than 0 and 1. But it's the same thing as working with regular numbers. You just reset it to 0 and stack a 1 next to it. Right? And then the third number is this. And then, we ran into the same problem, so we got to stack another. There's our 4th number, 5th number, 6th number, 7th number. Oh, we're out of room again. 8th number, 9th number, 10th number, 11th number. This is the 11th number. This is how, boom, boom, boom. There's the 11th number. That's base 2, otherwise known as binary. So anyway, when you turn them all on to 1, that's a 255. All right, anyway. Have fun with binary. That is a weird first lesson, though. That's like if you were taking a driving course and you had to learn about like the chemical properties that lead to combustion. I think that's, you know what? I think that's a solid analogy. Learning binary in a class about how to use computers is like learning chemistry to learn how to drive. Do not have fun with it. It is only serious. No loot equals true. Yeah. Wait a second. What was that? On battle end. Equals don't do anything for now, but we'll figure it out later. Actors, I don't think matters. And then start a battle. If you're doing computer science, yes, absolutely. If you're learning what data is, it feels impractical to learn what data is. Maybe there's something to that you need to know, like, wait a second, a computer is a thing that exists in the world. It's not a gateway to some magical dimension where the data is stored. There is a box. The files are in the computer. Tastes good, yum yum. But yeah, maybe there is something grounding about knowing, like, hey, that text document on your desktop, that is represented by just a bunch of the right switches flipped. Every letter is a whole bunch of switches that are flipped the computer just is really good at flipping switches. Are you coming to hang out? Nice. Guess what, chat? We got a real special surprise for you. She's gone. It's Hovercat.
I'm here.
There she is.
The very red nose. I might have gotten overly emotional about a song
Oh,
a bit
sorry.
ago. Yeah, had to pull myself together.
It's Hovercat from Hovercat Goes to the
Hi.
Beach to Apple Worlds.
What are you doing?
Crossword.
Because I'm here.
Sure.
I remember in my first geometry class when I was in high school. Just the bit byte conversation was making me think of it. Binary conversation.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So the teacher was like, "The line goes on forever." I was like, "What?" He's like, "See that line? That's the top of the cabinet? That goes on forever." And I was like, "No, it doesn't."
No, it doesn't. It's right there.
It very clearly ends right there.
It's right there.
And I think he meant it to be the same type of like grounding thing, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, maybe he just wanted to confuse everybody a lot the first
Who
day.
was that?
My high school geometry teacher.
I mean...
He also taught me
yeah,
calculus.
that's weird.
I don't want to. There's another story, but I don't want to
No.
say anything that could be potentially doxing.
There you go. Probably a good idea. Bit, byte, and nibbles, yeah. There are
Yeah,
nibbles.
that's the thing. I was like, because he was talking about line segments and like that ends, you know? And so I was like, yeah, okay, a line segment. And I understood like the concept of a plane keeps going. But I was like, but that line doesn't. Like that specific line. No, it doesn't.
You're wrong. There,
Yeah.
there is a line that contains that segment. but-
Yeah. I don't know. Just. It was confusing, but I could have misunderstood. I was, you know, a child, a teenage child, but still. Teachers are wrong sometimes. No, Al, that
True.
can't be true. He was very wrong about me. He thought I could do really well on the AP test. Guess who did not do really well on the AP test? You don't live at school? No, that can't be right. Where would they live if not at school?
So true.
All the teachers in Harry Potter lived at school, pretty much.
Teachers live at school, and all dogs are boys and all cats are girls. Don't
Yeah.
look, Liari. Don't look. Get the lizards. Cover it up. Go for Liari. Oh no. Just send in the lizards. Oh man.
So does Liari not like this type of crossword?
No.
It's the wrong kind.
This is the wrong
Oh
kind.
no, I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
I'm sorry. That's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah, real crosswords.
Real crossword.
I got
No, this wasn't a real crossword.
I got big on the New York Times one back in college because our school paper had it in it. And I didn't want to pay attention in class.
Who does that?
Me, apparently.
No, pays attention in class.
Oh. So you think you might do a stream tomorrow?
I'm gonna try. I've got a lot going on, but I'm gonna do my best to make it happen. It might be kind of short, but
Closing a horse.
I don't know if I'll do 1,000-Year Door or if I'll do another cooking stream. It probably just depends on my time around lunchtime.
Yeah.
I think cooking stream preferred. Probably 1,000-Year Door backup. But I'm more likely to have time after lunch than before lunch. So we'll see.
Yeah.
Dobbs wants me to do a cooking stream
Why would I want that?
because I didn't have time to make cheesecake bites last week. But I have all the stuff.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Wait a second.
That's definitely Death Stare. They're doing something clever here.
Doing a thing.
They're doing a thing. 6 squares in the puzzles grid. This is an E. It's a secret E.
Secret E.
I like when they do clever things. I'm cool with that.
I don't know what's happening.
What do you mean?
What about the horse thing?
Enclosing horses?
What's that?
It's a here, I'll show you. Close.horse.
Ah.
You gotta enclose the horse with 16 walls and try to get the most amount of points. There you go. So that leaves me one wall left. So then you gotta think like, well, what would be the best thing you can do there with that one extra wall? And then like, well, is this worth this? Should I do this so I've got 2 extra walls here? Oh, and then I can get 1 extra here, and then I got 1 wall now. Is this worth this?
Daily game where you can close a horse.
It's a daily game where you close a horse.
There you
That's
go.
so true. This is probably the most naive approach here, so it's probably incorrect. Like,
Do you
look,
want to use all of the walls?
you have to use all the walls.
You have to use all the
all the walls. I mean, you could just like, get rid of them if you wanted to, but
That's not the right way.
it's probably not the way.
So is there a right way though?
There's always a best answer, but like,
So do you want to have as much?
yeah, as much terrain and cherries. Is that my best? It's 55. Oh wait, I haven't. Still got 1 left after all that. Wow. Well, what can I do with that? 60. So this cherry was. You don't want that cherry.
Why not?
Because it takes like.
Looks yummy.
It takes so many walls to enclose it. There you go. So that's enclosed horse. And then he's like, okay, how'd I do? Oh, I got it perfect. Yeah, there you go.
Good job.
Thanks. Sometimes the cherries are traps. Al's so right.
Oh no, not a trap.
You don't want to have a trap cherry.
I'm just assuming everything that Al says is wrong now because he says sometimes teachers are wrong. So
Oh no. What Al is? Oh no.
yeah, that means he's wrong about everything, right?
Surely not, right? Okay.
No effort, perfect. Don't feel bad. He's just like that.
Casual, no effort. Sometimes you're just perfect. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do? Oh, I talked about Paper Robot at work today.
Oh, you didn't? No,
Yeah,
that was today.
Yeah,
When was that?
that was the midday meeting.
Oh, you didn't tell me.
That's because I was like awkwardly nervous for no good reason.
Yeah. So that's why you didn't want me to come up during that
Pretty
time?
much, yeah.
I thought you were going to yell at people.
Oh man,
I thought it was going to be like a confrontational
I could
meeting,
use
so you're
that.
like, don't be here for that.
I don't want you to see me like that.
Well, because I get kind of uncomfortable when you get mad.
I know.
So I thought some things were going down up here.
Yeah.
So what did everyone think? Did they all clap and cheer?
I mean, you can imagine that they did, but it was all digital, so,
So it's
who
just
knows?
like a lot of silence.
Yeah, basically.
Dobbs gets mad sometimes. It's really scary.
Oh, I mean, it's a frustration thing of like, this person is telling me they need this, but then this person is supposed to be the one getting me this, and they're not getting me it. So I'm feeling pressure. I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now.
There's a lot of pressure. I'm sorry you're under so much pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, my daughter came home from school and told me that she was under a lot of pressure. But yeah.
Spooks.
So when Dobbs gets mad, he doesn't get it wouldn't be scary compared to like most people mad. It's just scary when he gets mad because he doesn't get mad very often. And so it's unsettling. Yeah. The first time you ever got mad when you were with me
Man, I'm raging.
was when somebody cut us off in traffic, I think. And you said, seriously? And
Wow.
I was like, oh no. He's so mad.
I'm so mad right now.
Yes, road rage. Yeah. But that's Dobbs mad.
That's me
That
mad.
pretty much sums it up. I don't think you've ever been mad at me. Have you ever been mad at me?
No. Do you think I would tell you right now if I had? Though?
That's true. It'd be a weird time to bring it up.
think so. Oh man,
I can't remember
espouse.
you being mad at me.
Oh, see, okay, see.
Because the
Here's
E's missing.
here's the
E's
clever thing. It's still a valid word.
Mm-hmm.
Death Star, spouse, but it doesn't match the clue
Mm-hmm.
because of dark matter. That's an. It's yeah. Okay. See, that's clever, right? Right, Liari? Oh,
It's the Ari mad.
yeah,
Is he saying seriously?
she is.
She. Seriously?
Mad. Right. Clever, huh?
Clever. That's what we call it.
Oh. Yeah, the cryptic stuff is like, I don't know. I don't have the brain power. It's not what I want. It's not what I want. Maybe that's Trot. I do hope you do a stream.
Yeah, I'll try.
It'd be fun.
I'm procrastinating right now.
Me too.
Should we procrastinate until you're done with this crossword and then get to work?
Oh no, what if I don't finish?
I mean, you'll finish, right? You're like almost done.
I'm less than halfway done.
Maybe we shouldn't finish. Maybe we should, I don't know, get to a good stopping point.
Yeah, maybe.
It's hard to do things, you
It
know.
is. It is.
Two is good.
Regarding
Oh, the Dupu's message. I see.
case.
You just have to reset your metric for success.
Parse word. Well, now I've found out about the Pydle, which is a Wordle for Python.
Oh no.
Yeah.
That's fun for you,
Well, maybe.
I assume.
I don't know. Like getting the answer right is trivial. It's about optimizing, which is like you're intentionally doing some really dangerous code stuff to make that happen. Iced coffee, right? Iced tea, yeah.
Oh, probably. Illegal.
Jail for code crimes.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Liara is famous. You know, you got.
Famous crossworder.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Small world. Al would have just stumbled upon them without even knowing.
It's true.
A tad.
Maybe I need to do parse word because I don't know anything. I don't know any of the things. Dies. I don't even know what any of these words mean.
What?
Al says that they haven't been doing dies for a while.
Dailies.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah.
Wait, is that how you?
I haven't
Is
seen
that
it.
just
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Dailies. It's a website. It's a bunch of daily games.
That's true. Whenever Al does a stream, he starts with the dailies.
Oh, nice.
It's very fun.
I don't know if I should get into the dailies, you know?
Yeah. Oh, you know.
Seems like just the type of thing I could get way too into. Spend a lot of time on. Maybe if I had just one daily thing.
There's other.
It.
I forgot the dark matter.
Oh, yeah.
Equipped.
Is it only E's?
I doubt
dark
it.
mattered?
I doubt it. Established in. Or at. I wouldn't expect the in. It's a very U.S. crossword faux pas to include a word from the answer in the clue. So this could be established at or something else.
You just stab, even though that's not right.
Yeah, I mean. Yeah.
We're not gonna.
I'm not gonna commit to that one.
Yeah, we're not sure.
Oh,
Maybe
man.
I mean you.
Yeah, me. See, this is probably one, right?
I'm not very
Maybe
good at
this one.
crosswords. Never really been my thing, you know?
Yeah.
Tried, but
That's too bad.
I
Oh,
know.
this could.
you would think I would like it
Play.
because I like words.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So you think I would like to cross them?
Yeah. Rambled, but it's ambled.
Oh man, you got to go ahead and do 36 across.
Part in a play. 8 words.
8 words, love numbers. So maybe that's the key because this guy loves numbers too. So maybe that's how you like puzzly type things like this.
I mean, I don't know
Not
if
this
is
specifically,
key, but
Liara, because I know this is the bad kind.
plays a role.
Rather shoot yourself into a crossword like this? Oh no. Are you more into the other type too, or do you just not like puzzles? I also don't really like thinking in front of people, so it would be kind of a nightmare of mine to do puzzles in front of people.
Oh yeah.
Cryptic crosswords are secretly algebra problems. Oh, gotcha. Dyslexic, so words are hard. That makes sense. These are some hard ones.
It is.
I don't know any of these.
It's a good Thursday one, you know? Really makes you think. So, you know, we got a Q here, though. Quota.
There you go.
Down to 8. Yeah, a stab. A stab.
A stab.
I
Joking
Whenever
about
it's
that.
like singer or sports person, I'm like, no, it's not happening. I just have to get the crossed word. That's all I can go for. Well, no point. Pointless game has no point. That fits, but you can't put point in the clue.
I mean, you would think.
You would think. I would hate that. Organization with a list of popular baby names. Three-time AL MVP of 2000s. AL. I don't even know what it's asking.
I don't know.
The AL MVP is in chat right now. That's right.
Around in the 2000s. Just being an MVP, mostly.
Paged? Double paged? Guilt page. You could have guilt page. Double page. Maybe. User ID. Okay, yeah. Let's go with that. Pogs. See, it's got a question mark, which means they're doing something clever with the wording. So you're supposed to read. The naive reading is like strong suit, like clubs, something. But no, you're supposed to think in other terms.
Okay.
Of like a strong suit. Or something like that. You know, you get it. Do you get it?
I get it.
Okay.
I don't know what the answer is, but I get it.
Yeah.
Sought comfort from say. What does it mean when it says say at the end of the clue?
For instance, like that's not the only.
Oh, okay.
You know, that's one such instance of this. Sojourned. No. I was thinking, like, what if there's like a three-way?
Oh man, now I know the strong suit. Question mark.
What?
I don't know. He didn't answer.
Oh.
I think he didn't want to spoil it.
If it's right.
It's weird.
It's weird. Let's see. My initial thought is that these are going to have to be vowels.
What this crossword needs. What does this crossword need?
I think we should allow audience participation just so we can get it done and get back to these lizards. Namer? Namer. I guess superhero. A strong suit. I get it. Like a person being a suit being, you know. Is that a superhero? I don't even know.
Who's that?
Budding. Maybe. Namer would fit. That's true. Wouldn't be the strong suit. I'm really worried that there's something here. You know?
Yeah.
No, if they do anagrams, unlike cryptic, it'll be spelled out pretty well. Lou Gehrig's disease. Shoot. Is that the
No,
one?
is it
It's
ALS?
wait. Oh shoot. If it had not asked me, I don't think it's ALS. It's a 3-letter acronym. Is it ALS? It might be. Maybe.
Maybe.
Let me. Can I? But that doesn't fit. Can me?
Can me?
That's. I mean, talk about some nominative determinism now. I'm gonna put an E there. Dark matter may not even be the correct answer here. You know?
It's gotta be. Why else would all the E's be disappearing?
Well, I mean, what if it was like antimatter or something, and this was wrong? You know?
Yeah.
Totally bizarre. Totally bizarre. Wacky.
Oh, good one. Good answer.
Good answer.
It's the wrong game for that.
No, you can do that. Places to get math. Well, that means S here. Wacky word stream. I love a good wacky word stream. Handful. Oh man. Willow beat the screen, and we're all very, very happy. Long stretch, era, eon, age. See, there's a lot of words that could fit here that do not fit this.
Yeah, but there's gotta be one. It's got a T in the middle.
I don't know.
I don't know if I can be considered doing this
Good.
crossword. I think I'm just sitting here.
I mean, that's fine.
The 64 across. What's the clue for that one? Oh. Make it easier.
Yep. See. Cabinet part 1889. Wild Wild West.
What?
Let's see. What was your question? Sorry.
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's go Wild Wild West.
Yeah. How many letters did it say? Hang on. 6 squares. E-N-E-R-G-Y. E. I don't know where the N is. Maybe it's here. No. Maybe? Would it be here? No, K would be here. Right? Is that the nap of the neck? Is K-N-A-P? Nape?
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 No. Yeah.
Nape. Hang on. N-A-P-E.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then
Double
your
edged.
15 down is gonna have an N at the start of it too.
Yeah.
I don't
Budding.
know if that helps us, but
Nascent.
apparently does.
It is armor now. Yeah. Strong suit, you see.
I get it. I mean, I don't think it needs to be a question mark. Armor is a strong suit. Why do you need a question
No
mark?
score. All right. Well, this one. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do with that. A-Rod. Uri. List of popular social Security office?
Oh, like SSN.
SSN. Wait, no, organization. Not social security number.
Oh yeah, that's true. What would that be called? Social security office, maybe? Probably.
You know what? Maybe.
Maybe.
We're gonna put it there. Okay, so that's.
27 across.
Why was it a K? See, I was really banking
No,
on.
nape. It was an
Oh
N.
yeah, N. E-N. And then we got our E. And then
Somewhere an R.
it could be an R. I mean, for all we know, this could be an R. Alex Rodriguez. Al is the all-star baseball team. All-star. No. So there's a Y tucked away somewhere. Maybe even here. Not admit.
Deny.
Deny. Hey,
I'm doing it.
doing it. And then ill-prepared ending with a Y.
Sorry to believe.
All right, how about crinkly fabric? 5 letters.
My letter
Ends in
crinkle
E.
fabric. What type of fabric would I say is crinkly?
Extension. Paddle.
Yeah, that sounds
I
right.
don't know. That doesn't feel great. Tech product iPod. Discontinued in 2022. It could have been.
That feels late, but maybe.
Yeah. Who knows?
For his mother.
Sphere. Solid. Okay, I'm feeling good about iPod now.
Yeah.
Crinkly fabric ends in a PE.
Crepe.
Crepe.
Crepe paper. Crepe. Right? That's a thing.
Fabric.
I mean,
Okay.
I think I've
Crepe.
heard it. I feel like I've heard it.
Wait, Helen of Troy's mother. Oh.
I feel
Nope.
like I should know that one.
Nah. Scarab. Trials by fire. Ordeals. Ill-prepared. Unready.
Oh, so that's the Y. Oh, yeah.
There you
yeah,
go.
We already figured that out. That was the Y, didn't we?
Yeah. 1 level below
I
majors.
just need a G.
Yeah, we found our E, N, E, and our Y. There's an R and a G somewhere in the middling zone. Places to get masks. Spas.
Shoop.
It's the sound a lizard makes.
Gotcha.
Shoop, 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 shoop. Holy, but not holy or holy example. And it's an abbreviation.
Oh.
Nope, it's an
Oh, that
abbreviation.
Oh.
Get those lizards in here. Lizard lend us your strength. Do you know the month of Passover? It's not a Gregorian.
Yeah, it's like actual Hebrew. Ooh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
That might be bison. Yeah.
It's gonna be bison.
Okay. Forensics facilities. Labs. DNA labs.
Oh, okay. We'll just have to believe that that is the correct
Mm-hmm.
Passover month name.
Namibia, right?
Wait, what's the?
Desert for which an African country is named? I might be
Is
completely.
AAA the level below the majors?
I guess it is now. Homer. I am gonna go with Trot after all.
Yeah, that seems right.
Unnamed article.
That.
That. Yeah, you know what? I like it.
Right?
Yeah. That's the spot. Like granola. No, wait. That's the spot. OT.
I have doubts.
You just gotta believe.
I'm not convinced. That's all I'm saying.
Obsidian rock once. Volcanic. right? Will you let me? Can I? Can I?
Maybe I was wrong about that.
Could be this. Will I?
But will you let me when it makes sense?
Will you let me?
Wait, are we missing an S? No. I was gonna say
Shall
shall
I?
I? But yeah. But it's heads when it really
Yeah,
makes sense
yeah,
either.
and that one's out. Let's see. That would be terrible. Last hurrah. Igneous. Ooh.
Igneous. Ooh.
Oh,
Igneous.
I think that is how you spell that, though.
Wait. No, we're not.
No.
I'm thinking I anyway.
Not quite. Not quite a
That was a
fit.
good one.
That
I
was a good one.
impressed. I was like, oh yes, that's got to be it.
I should just change the category.
Yeah.
Just get
At
rid.
least for now.
Just get rid of the category.
Not doing anything right
I'm
now.
not doing anything. Pottery named for its something ware, right?
Probably.
Styleware.
That makes sense for its hardness, though.
No.
But yeah, I think where is right.
Epic. Epic.
Epic fail.
Yeah. Abbreviation meaning completely. That we're kind of really fenced in here. We don't have a lot of places to just look for more things. This is it. I think it might be the Department of Agriculture.
Yeah. I see it.
Agri.
Agree.
Swan Song. I don't think it's gonna fit.
Oh yeah. Your last hurrah.
Oh. That
Because
wouldn't.
we're the G.
The G.
Although then that's definitely wrong. Yeah.
Well then, unnamed article. Thing.
Ah, yeah.
Clever. Clever.
Good job.
Good job. Good job, dupes.
Oh no. I don't think we're doing
All right,
that.
all right. So, like granola. Oaten.
Putin.
Oaten.
Okay. I'll allow it.
Did you get the letters right? You see, because 45 across or down. Oh, molten.
Oh, nice one, Al.
Yeah.
I tossed it to
Nice
you.
one out. It was ALS. Okay. Salt. Ran to. Anti. Come together, confer, consult, infuriate, Madden. John Madden.
Doing that.
Okay.
Sorry. Didn't mean to be so proud.
No, that was good. Thank you, Dupu. Dupu thought it was really good. Epic defeat.
Oh, yeah. We were pretty close.
Yeah. I'm not familiar with this pottery. I don't know if that's
Me
okay. Anyway, convene.
Convene.
DV. Holy. I'm not sure.
You don't see how that works. But
Yeah.
yeah, we'll believe it. Must be, right?
Shineware, Skyware, Cyanware.
You choose the one.
I don't know. I think we're done. New York City subway line.
You're just gonna guess?
I was me guessing.
No, but I'm like, winning.
Shineware, what would a New York City subway line be? The IR. L.
T.
I tried to.
Like transport, you know?
Rail
Wait,
line.
will it tell you if you're wrong?
If the entire puzzle is correct, it will let us know.
Gotcha.
I think we will do a full check here and then be done.
Okay.
And there's the ones we got wrong. Oh, Wacky wasn't right.
Oh, that changes everything.
Maybe this is stoneware then.
Stoneware, that would make sense,
Wacko.
wouldn't it? Yeah.
Wacko.
And T was correct.
Sprint was actually a race, not a pace. Oh, it was routine. Okay.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
And then
See, that feels like congratulations, you solved the puzzle, but like we didn't.
we did.
You know?
Yeah, that's. I mean, we were stuck. I think
Yeah.
I can feel good about being stuck.
Yeah.
You see, the real victory was that we aren't doing it anymore, right? Party Lizard. We had fun. We had fun along the way. You want me to do the John Madden thing? See, it's Microsoft Sam. It's the Microsoft Sam voice. You familiar with
I
Microsoft?
think
Are you?
I've heard it.
Okay. Let's do 3 more crossings.
Sometimes.
Yeah. You know, Microsoft Sam. Yeah, no, you guys know Sam. Oh, man. Just having a fun night. Hanging out.
Yeah, I should do things though. You should
No,
do things.
no, you're trapped.
Oh no.
Sorry. I don't make the rules. Just weighing the John Madden.
You're gonna do it again. Sam and I have met.
I've been acquainted. We're a little bit acquainted with old Microsoft Sam.
I don't know when I heard that, but I've heard it before.
Yeah,
Might have been from you. Who can say?
yeah. Well, Duvu really likes my Microsoft Sam.
Does he?
Yeah, yeah. Look, let me scroll
Why?
up. Let me scroll up.
I think he was talking about your solve or something.
What? No.
That you had a good clue.
I really like that Twitch will not let me scroll up. That's really cool. Here we go. He said that was pretty good.
Yeah, he was talking about your.
And then he was saying you can
word
get 41
that
down. He was talking
That
about
was
my
Al
John
that
Madden.
said you can get 41.
Well, yeah, because I wanted to prove that it was like not congratulations on
just
the end of the
solved
puzzle.
something.
Uh-huh.
It wasn't the whole puzzle. It's that one specific what you were talking about, John. Madden. Can't believe you would take his side.
See, no, that's a legitimately impressive skill to be able to emulate Microsoft Sam, the Microsoft Sam. Old Hatsune. Do you know Hatsune Miku?
No,
Okay. Do you know what Vocaloid is?
no.
Okay. That's because you're normal. That's because you're a normal person.
I'm not sure
And you
about
see the sun every once in a while.
that. Just in different parts of the internet than you are.
That's true. Yeah, I would argue that anyone who knows the name Hatsune Miku is freaking weird.
Wow.
Yeah.
What is it?
A Vocaloid. Well, you know what Microsoft Sam is?
Yes.
Okay, imagine if Microsoft Sam had canon character model that came with him.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Try to help me.
Well, she's very popular. Do you know what Alvin and the Chipmunks is?
Yes.
Okay. Are you familiar with the band Gorillaz?
No.
Okay. They were really popular like 20 years ago, I guess. Are you familiar with Garfield?
Yes.
Wait, did the music stop? No, it's still going. Never mind. Is it still going? Did it still going? He's a funny cat. Bill Murray. Haha.
Mondays.
Mondays, am I right?
You know what? Garfield should have lasagna on Mondays. And then it would make Mondays better.
That's so true.
Yeah.
And you want to see a
Why
funny?
didn't anyone ever think of
You want to
this
see a
before?
funny? You want to see a funny Monday? You want to see a funny Monday picture? What day was Monday? 24th. Let's see a funny Monday picture. Oh, look at that! Wait, hang on. Let me scroll back up to the previous week. Let's see.
Nobody else can see this.
No one else gets to see it. Have a blessed Monday. And then there's a little cow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Let's see. Let me scroll up.
I just don't understand.
How about this one here?
Like, what's the point?
Oh, Monday, when your coffee needs coffee. Am I right, guys? Oh, fuck Monday. Every day we get a new picture.
Yeah, it's not just Mondays. That's the thing.
Yeah.
If it was like just Mondays, I could get behind it. You know?
Yeah. Funny Monday. Funny Monday. Dear. You know what we talked about. And then you understood what we were talking. Oh man, I love getting a funny Monday picture.
Every once in a while, I look in his Discord and I'm like, let's see if anyone has posted anything in the general channel. Someone always has.
Someone
That's the good
always
news.
has.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every day.
Every day. Always uphill, he always downhill.
The GQ good morning. Oh no, that's my snipping tool. I missed and hit the wrong thing. Here we go. GQ good morning. There we go. Yeah, the ironic ones were great. Where I would just post the same coffee gif every day, and then I started like, I'm gonna add GQ to this one.
I don't know, it just felt like at a certain point you were adding to the problem. You know?
Yeah, it's like
Then there's just more
yeah.
morning posts every day.
Happy 9 a.m.
Happy 9 a.m.
Oh, I love 9 a.m.
I love 9 a.m. It's an absurd thing to say. I mean, have you never wished somebody a happy 9 a.m.?
A little,
I guess hasn't really.
little thing cover cat printed for me.
Yeah. So
For my birthday, maybe?
Or Father's Day, I don't remember which one. Something.
Twists. It's very twists.
It's kind of squeaky.
It is a little
I
squeaky.
have one, which I think it was in my pocket earlier, but it's not now.
It's not now.
Right now, this is in my pocket.
That is not Playmobil Laura, by the way.
Oh. Does it need to not be? Shoot. I gotta get my fidget now.
Oh, Playmobil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's fine.
Look at all the programming.
Oh, it's green! No!
Oh, it's green. I could switch scenes
It's okay, I
and it
don't
would show
really
up.
care that much.
Not too bad. There you go. Now you can show it. Now it can be
There
green.
you go. See, it goes like this.
It goes like
And then
that.
a little bit.
It's cool nothing you got there. Cool nothing. Oh man. I'm gonna write this code, I promise.
Okay, I'm leaving. Goodbye.
No, but I'll miss you. I
I'll
didn't
miss
get
you
to
too.
see you much
I
today.
know. We kind of saw each other quite a bit.
I guess we did, didn't we? But I had a lot of meetings.
That's true. You did have a lot of meetings.
I had a lot of meetings. I was a brave
You
boy.
locked me out for one of them because you felt weird.
I did. I didn't want you to
That
come
was
in
right.
because then you would be supportive from a distance. That'd make me more nervous.
I would hate to make you nervous.
My big day. I told real life people about a video game.
Yeah.
My former boss from like 10 years ago. My man, yeah.
That's
Yeah. And then of course he had to, be supportive as well. All right.
I thought it was like
My
a
shame.
different one. I was like, wait, what?
No. My shameful hobby. Oh. Okay. Making thing. Got her, Leon. No, your words on a screen. Oh no, Leon! Okay, what happens next? What is this callable that's failing then? It's in the... It is... Apparently this one I would guess. Why would that fail? Oh man, I love when your voice is so cool. That's so cool. Oh man. I genuinely like our little circle of Twitch people, and it brings me much joy in my life. It's like I imagine this is what friends feel like. Even GQ. And some of you even I would share a meal with at a restaurant.
Some of you.
Some of you. I know what kind of food GQ likes. Don't name which ones. Oh. Well, happy to have you here, Bro Jim. Not to, because he recommends. Dubu recommends the worst food. Oh man. To be clear, this is a weird night. I'm just really burnt out from work today, and so I just couldn't muster the energy to work more. This is a MySpace top 8 all over again. The Twiglets, Dupu. The Twiglets. Rank everyone. Alright, we're gonna do a chat tier list. Let's see here. Let's just get out the tier maker. Let's just all right, so have our no. It'd be really funny. It'd be really funny. Can you imagine? I was hoping it would pop up the title that I typed in, because I typed in chat members ranked best to worst, and it didn't even show up on the page. So the bit was for nothing. Someone else's chat. Oh man. Yeah, Hovercat, you tell him. Actually, that is a thing. That is a thing. Mm-hmm. Come on now. There we go. Let me just, hang on. Just to prove. It was bad. It was bad. I was expecting something that tasted like pretzels or something. You know, like a little salty.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was gonna be too. Maybe with like a little bit of like, I don't know, oniony flavor.
Like something like something, yeah, something a little different. Something like, ooh, what's
Yeah,
that
not
flavor?
like straight salt, but just a little like, you know, like, oh, that's interesting.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna post this in Dooku's Discord. There we go. Have a good one, Liari.
Text message I sent him.
Great, thanks.
I just sent him the text message out of nowhere.
That did come out of nowhere. It was just, that was it. That was it. That was the only text message I received from my wife that day. Was about Dooku. Oh man. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, I should have paid attention to why this failed. It's fine. It's fine. Did you guys know we're making a video game? They look like twigs. Hence. And in Godot, a video game in Godot. Unbelievable. All right, so it does the conversation. So the nice thing is we don't actually have to script out this. We just throw in the text, and that's pretty much it. Okay, but then it fails here. What step is it failing on? We have a null. Our conversation queue is null. Oh no.
Be on the lookout.
Okay.
Feel like it would probably.
There's a mosquito in here. And I'm always complaining that I can't see the mosquito because of the lack of light in the area where the mosquito is.
You're blind, everybody.
Gaming on welcome in. No, the battery's low. Battery's really low on this. I need to charge it. Battery's too low.
Really weird.
What? No, I look normal. I look like a normal, cool guy. A cool and handsome man.
Wait, are Twiglets Marmite flavored?
They tasted like...
Because I've heard Marmite is really gross.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I've heard.
An acquired taste. To me, it tasted like burnt sunflower seeds.
That's what it tasted like, yeah.
I was like, who cooked these sunflower seeds, for one thing? Conversation queue. It's got a callable in it. It's got a callable. So conversation Sub-Zero is callable, or else we wouldn't be in this branch. Attempt to call start fight on a null instance. Okay, now hang on. That's something. Start fight on a null instance. Does that imply... Fight shouldn't be null here, right? No, it should not, because fight includes the cinematic conversation line keys here. Well, no, that wouldn't work. Callable on a null instance. That must be nice. Gamion's pulling in people. Got a bad bag. It's the only answer. I'm just gonna have pretzels next time I'm hankering for something that I imagine Twiglets to be.
Pretzels are like a little.
Like a little something, like a little like, ooh, like there's just a little bit of like a sweetness, or maybe even something kind of savory.
You see these honey mustard pretzels? They were really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What could you add to pretzels to give them like a little bit of like, oh,
I think like a little bit of like
garlic?
onion or something.
Onion?
Garlic or something. Yeah. Not much.
Just a little. Pretzels are great canvas. Oh, giant pretzel. Can we get giant pretzels, frozen giant pretzels at the store? Thank you. Because you could just, or the pretzel bites. Because then we can just pop you in the oven.
Yeah, you will.
And you can just nibble on them for a long, long time. Fresh fruit. I chew bits of peaches. Little Toadette is eating a lot of peaches these days, but we gotta cut it, get the pit out, and then I just kind of nibble around the pit because I'm not letting those good bites go to waste. When I cut up her strawberries specifically because when she eats a whole strawberry, she'll leave a wide margin around the leaves, around the stem, and that's a lot of wasted strawberry. So I just cut it, and then she can just eat the whole thing, no questions asked. Start fight. On a null instance. It is a callable. It knows it is a callable. And yet... Huh? Is it because of the parameter, or what? Let's try something here. Why not? Why not? Oh, also, let's temporarily. Oh no, I don't have another way to get in here. Never mind. We'll just go through the menu. We'll do it like normal. Oh, my next snack. Got some salami. Some salami in the fridge. Herbed. Okay, high time, and then it fails. It does, okay, it did log, so this still is working. Why? Oh, wait a second. Where is the fight code here? Cleanup. When does cleanup happen? Does cleanup happen? Yeah, here. The first rule of fight code. Well, no, if this was the problem, if the problem was that this base is gone, then surely that would be a problem well before this. Maybe. Maybe? What if this? The bacon waffle. Legend of Zelda items. Definitely a bacon waffle. It does fit. It does fit. Yeah. Against all odds. Oh, well, okay, maybe. All right, did this print our test? No, it did not. That's weird to me. Attempt to call, start fight on a null, and yeah, it's this whole class is gone at this point. So we have, where does it go? Where does it go? Okay, so we're in the hub. We're in the hub. Day, welcome in. Bot was slow. How was Subnautica? Did you win? Did you win? I gotta watch out for a mosquito. Listen closely for it. Good day. Made progress, so yes. That's all it takes. Alright. Consider this. Yeah. 00 Coliseum sign. 00 Coliseum sign is the conversation code here. And this is, yeah, look at this. It's newing up the fight list. Ooh, the fossil zone. That's a fun trip. It's a tight squeeze. I lost a Cyclops in some caves. It just glitched out and I could no longer use it. And I just had to leave and make another one. It was terrible. I do like that there are multiple cameras on it. Like you can view the camera that's on the top or the one on the bottom. That helps a little bit. Okay, Coliseum fight. Yeah, when you yeah, here we go. I think this is the problem. It adds to the current scene. Ooh, and then the current scene gets removed. So what if we're gonna try to add it directly to the scene manager temporarily. It's not gonna be temporary, is it? Quick hour of Subnautica 2 multiplayer, just real quick. Okay, so the menu and all associated code is tied to the scene manager now, which means it's still in the scene tree now. Previously, it had been getting deleted after the scene load, but the conversation stuff kind of filtered through. No, that's still not it. Expected one. All right, wait. This is a different. This is a different error. This is. Yep, this is because yeah, okay. Then we got no information because I still had some test changes in place. Let's load. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we got it. Okay, that works. Yes. This is good. This is good. This fails because yeah. The set override. What are our sets here? I don't even know. Anyway, that's fine. Okay, we can fiddle around a little bit with making the actual Colosseum interior. We made the Colosseum waiting room, which actually turned out pretty nice, I'd say. Now we need our fight club. It does not need to be a scene that you actually travel around in. It only needs to be a set dressing for the battle scene, which helps. We can use a lot of this as is that the mosquito? You're not a mosquito. You're just a bug. Dead bug. Unless it could have been like a mosquito of some sort. Banana. What is that? Ooh. Oh, wait. No. Nope, never mind. We can use this as a basis for it. So all I gotta do is copy most of this. Oh, I love Final Fantasy Crystal Chronicles. Oh, there was a weird line break for me. I like Final Fantasy Crystal Chronicles. That may be, I don't know, polarizing of a game. But I played it a lot and I enjoyed it. I thought it was cool. All right, so now we have to imagine the hypothetical scene that this waiting room would lead to. I think a pretty large room, right? Get rid of this. Poster can stay. Lockers go. We don't need the lockers at all, I don't think. I don't think that it makes sense for those to be in the benches, however, I could see us making some little stadium seating. Not stadium seating exactly, but like, you know, some stuff. Just some stuff. We can move a door around. Spotlight. We'll figure out the lighting in a bit. We're gonna make a nice big room here. Nice big room. Yeah. Nice big fighting room. Everybody loves a good fighting room. Alright. How big of a room is this? Can we imagine a big room? This is alright. I kinda wanna make like a almost like a boxing ring. However, I gotta be careful because we might want to do flanking fights. We might want to do special moves that pull the camera out a bit or overlap things on the sides. So I gotta be cautious about that. We can get the general vibe of a boxing ring, but more like a sumo ring, you know, like a raised dais. You know, That's fine there. Yeah, what if? What if? I'm gonna take all of these things and just... so right, what we can do is CSG polygon. Yeah, let's say 1. And if we do spin, then we get a nice cool fighting platform. Smooth faces, but we don't want them completely smooth, right? Right. Yeah, that is the difference, isn't it? We could do however, we could do a mesh instance of a cylinder, not a capsule. That is cylinder. Okay, good. We got a cylinder. We got it. And then then I think we can do, yeah, different radii. Yeah. But to make this actually work, the rest of this needs to drop down. There we go. Now we got like a big old fighting platform, I guess. Kind of want to stretch it a bit, but that seems bad form. That seems like bad form. 0-0 Coliseum. So set override. There we go. And now we can start a fight. The age-old, tried and true method here. Start a fight. Yes. Still got to figure out how to keep Leon from getting caught in the door. Hey, what is this? What is this? Right. I have to actually populate the scene list. I forgot I did this. Match. How does this check? How does this match? We look for scene manager sets that match the decor scene name. Oh, let me show me some examples. Show me an example here. What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, that's still probably fine. Yeah, and then the scene can include special rules like whether or not to use depth of field, that kind of thing. We're not using depth of field for this one. We gotta use that very sparingly. Or else it just doesn't have an impact. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Why are you over there, though? Okay, well that proves that flanking is a problem. Flanking fights will not work. So if we end up doing flank fights, we have to be ready for the consequences. We actually have to deal with that. Okay, but anyway, we're in a fight. Do we have any instant win? No. Wow, I'm gonna have to actually punch a pig. But it's big pig, you see. 1. Right. Huh. 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 1? Wait, do you get the same defense? What's going on here? How are you so buff? Why am I only getting 1 on these guys? I'm not using hard mode, am I? There's something very screwy right now that I'm noticing about the which actors can be struck. All right. Well, that's fine. That's fine. That's not the thing to be doing right now. But we do need to fix this. Blank regular is 1, apparently. 0 is on the left, 1 is on the right. I should have known that. Okay. A big fighting ring is what it is, I guess. Let's bring all of this and this and this up. Hey, Mendoza. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what kind of texture is this guy gonna get? And don't say rusty square. Come on, let's be more creative than that. No, don't like that. Not a huge fan. You know what this might need is a little bit of extra, like a little bit of extra something or other. You know? Yeah, you know what I mean. Some rusty triangle. You know what this reminds me of is the fight panels from Donkey Kong 64. You know what I mean? Yeah, you see it. No. No. Kind of. I don't want to use this as a... I think I can use this mesh with a CSG. Uh-oh. 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 Watch it. Watch it. We start with the CSG mesh. Then... It was, wasn't it? Gosh, what a good game. Now we can do whatever we want with this. What do we want to do with this? Feels terrible to put, yeah. It's a game. That is totally the kind of advertising campaign that they would have done back then. That was the era of like board narrator for advertisements for video games. Do you remember that? Donkey Kong 64. It's a game. That is totally what those advertisements sounded like. Switch between 5 different Kongs. See if you can take on K. Rool. Donkey Kong 64. It's a game. And then like there'd just be off the wall stuff happening of like some kid in a bedroom and his like lamp explodes and his bed explodes and his dog explodes or something. Oh yeah. Man, what a time. What a time to be alive. What do I want on this? Just a gray. Just a nice gray with some decals or something. That was it, wasn't it? That was it. So need it targeted here. The Legend of Zelda, and it's really... Was it cool? It was bad? Was it bad? Or was it cool? I don't remember. I don't know. These pages need to leave. This probably... I don't know what we'll do with this. Wicked. Paul Rudd playing Super Nintendo. Man, he sure did. Add a couple of exit doors here. Yep. Benches. We're gonna have some NPCs hanging out here. But I think we're gonna simplify them. We're not gonna do this tonight. We're gonna do the 100 of something trick. Our normal actor code is responsible for a lot of stuff. It handles making sure the actors are constantly facing the camera correctly. It handles like calculating movement to a target location. But for most of the stuff we do, we don't need all that. For a lot of the actors, if we just flatten it to a single image, just a little PNG, we can just throw those in the scene as sprite 3Ds and just animate them jumping up and down, and that's fine. Now we can have 100 of something. So we'll need to have 100 of something going. Okay. Where are we going? We're gonna get out of here. Doing the game dev, SRD, GQ. Oh, Small's on. I haven't rated Small in a bit. Hot minute. Let me see who else is doing game dev right now. Let's see if there's anybody that we want to go over to hang out with. There is not. There is not. Thanks for hanging out. We're gonna go see Small Block Boy. I've seen the name before. Yeah, Small's doing the mushroom game. Is cool and awesome and neat. Yeah, fun. This was good. I had so many meetings today and it was very draining, so it was good to be able to just work on the things I wanted to work on, or a crossword puzzle, either way. Yeah, we're gonna pretty up this scene, make it kind of like dim warehouse with a fighting ring and lots of like little characters jumping around in the background to, yeah, get him. I would like to see if we can vaguely reference the idea of Thousand Year Door with an audience in the battle scene. I don't know how much room we're gonna have in the Z-axis to work with that, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Everybody have a good night. I will be back Friday. Oh, Hovercat. 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 Streaming probably tomorrow. So you should follow Hovercat if you are not. Okay, bye. Bye.